four patterns that we see in nature, and he looked at the characteristics that are present in these four areas of the earth.
I will speak for a little bit about the wild, because this is our part which doesn't want to be defined. This part doesn't want to look mentally there. It's fire. It's the noon, it's the summer, it's the emotions flowing, it's the eruption.
Someday, if you are lucky, you will return from a thunderous journey. Trailing snake scales, wing fragments, and the mask of earth and moon. Eyes will examine you for signs of damage or change, and you too will wonder if your skin shows traces of fur or leaves. If thrushes is a kind of bird, if thrushes have built a nest in your hair, if Andromeda burns from your eyes, do not be surprised by prickly questions from those who barely inhabit their own fleeting lives, who barely taste their own possibility, who barely dream. If your hands are empty, treasureless, if your toes have not grown claws, if your obedient voice has not become a wild cry.
Smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories where everything was strange.